In this demo, we'll control a motor using a minimal micro-ROS client application running on the new Renesas motor control kit with the RA8T2 microcontroller. Before interacting with the motor, a micro-ROS agent is used to connect the board with the rest of the ROS system, enabling the device to exchange messages just like any other ROS node. Once the setup is ready, we load the application onto the board from Renesas Studio using the hardware debugger. This step programs the microcontroller with the compiled micro-ROS firmware and the application code. With the program running, the board quickly establishes communication with the agent, confirming that the micro-ROS client is working correctly and ready to publish and receive data. This automatic connection implies that the transport layer is active and the device is fully integrated into the ROS network. We can confirm the client is active by inspecting its topics using the usual ROS introspection commands. These tools allow us to verify that publishers and subscribers are correctly set up and that the node appears in the system graph. In this tutorial, the client subscribes to the topic where the motor commands will be received, ensuring a reliable link between the control interface and the hardware. After verifying that everything is in place, we begin issuing commands to adjust the motor's speed and direction. We start with a clockwise command at 2,000 revolutions per minute, giving the motor a strong initial spin. Then we slow it down, keeping the same direction but reducing the speed to 500 RPM. Next, we reverse the rotation direction and issue a counterclockwise command, again at 500 RPM. And to wrap up the demo, we send a final command instructing the motor to come to a stop. We hope this tutorial helps you get started building your own real-time applications with ROS integrated embedded hardware.